I'm Anil Kumar. We are trying to understand strategies to solve trigonometric equations. We have already done equations which are simple ratios. Now we have a factored form of trigonometric equations. We'll try to find all the possible solutions in the domain 0 to 360 degrees, and for benefit of some other students who are doing radians, I'll do 0 to 2 pi radians also, right? So the first one here we have already factored for you. Two factors when multiplied are giving us 0. That means the solution could be them to be 0, right? So we could equate 2 sine x minus square root 3 equals to 0. Solve for sine x, Okay, so we have sine x, let me do it in steps, is equals to square root of 3, or we say sine x equals to square root of 3 divided by 2. So we are looking for all the solutions in 0 to 360. That is to say, if I draw my coordinate plane, sine, as you know, is positive in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 2, right? Why is it so? The rule which you know, right? The cast rule, or whatever you may call. All students take calculus, all silver teacup. Okay. So first step is find the related acute angle. Now here we'll use special triangles. It will give you good practice to use special triangles. Okay, so special triangles, I've taken up 30, 60, 90, where the sides are 1 to square root 3. We need sine of square root 3 over 2. That means we're interested in this angle, and that angle is 60 degrees for us. So acute angle for us is 60 degrees, correct? So we have one 60 degrees as solution. The other one is also 60, but we need to write the principal angle. So what is x equals to? So x is equal to 60 degrees, that is first. And this angle will be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, right? So these are the two solutions. So we'll write 60 degrees and 120 degrees, correct? So that is how we get solutions from the first part of the factor. Now we'll investigate the second factor, which is cos x equals to 1, right? So this will be 0. So we say cos x minus 1 equals to 0, right? So that means cos x equals to 1. Now when is cos x 1? Whenever you want to find when is cos or sine 1, I prefer to use the graph, right? So we know if I draw a graph for cos x, it kind of starts from 1, ends at 1, right? So within the interval 0 to 360 degrees, it is 1 at the two extremes. One is 0 degrees, the other one is 360 degrees, correct? So we get two different solutions here, which are 0 degrees and 360 degrees, correct? So that gives us all possible solutions for the given equation. So our answer will be combination of these two. So we'll combine all these answers. So 0 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 degrees and 360 degrees are the solutions for the given equation. So that is how you should be doing it. Let's do the next one. Here we are given an equation which could be factored. We can take sine x common. So we could write this as sine x is a common factor. We get 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So solution set is either sine x equals to 0 or 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. That gives us cos x equals to minus half. For sine x equals to 0, as I said, we prefer to sketch, right? So we'll sketch again. You can use calculator. Calculator will give you only one answer. So it doesn't work, right? So we sketch 3 zeros, correct? So from here we get 3 zeros, and we know the answers are 0 degrees, 180 degrees and 360 degrees for sine x equals to 0. How about this? Cos x equals to minus half. You could use calculator again. In this case we'll find the related acute angle, right? So we say cos of related acute angle beta to be half, since in quadrant 1 everything is positive, right? So, or you can use special triangle. We need half, that means we can use the triangle which is 30, 60, 90, right? 1 to square root 3. Cos of half, 60 degrees. So we know beta is equals to 60 degrees. So we know one answer. However, we are looking for minus half. Now cos is minus half in which quadrants? It is minus half in quadrant 2 and 3, right? So these are the two solutions, correct? Where you know this angle here is 60 degrees, but we need to report the principal angle. So one of them is this, the other one is this. So we say x is equals to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, that is one. The other one is 180 degrees plus 60 degrees. You get the point, right? So here it is 120 degrees and the other answer is 240 degrees, correct? Now combine both these solutions and write down your solution. So answer is 0 degrees, 120 degrees, okay, 180 degrees, 240 degrees, and 360 degrees. So this is the solution set for the given equation. I hope that really helps. So we have learned how to find solution of a trigonometric equation when given in factored form or when it is easy to factor as it was here. Thank you and all the best.